Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this additional, not in the yesterday's newspaper on Saturday, July the 15th, 2023. It's actually today is Sunday, and I've told you earlier the Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, but in the weekend edition there's no extra puzzles, no additional. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles of the Monday edition. July the 10th, 2023. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and a Sudoku with 0 stars. So now it's time for the Tectonic. Yeah, Tectonic number 6764. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. It's indicated with 1 star, so I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see if I can manage this. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here, single box, there, single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? I see here a dual box contains the 1 and a 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. Then the following question, quadra boxes then. I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L shape. Quadra box should be there, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. But when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. Always a 5. All right. Let me see. Here another quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Let me see. Next strategy is to recognize some shapes. No, the next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yes. Oh, overlook this quadra box. Oh. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. And the inside box is always a 5, so this should be a 5. Okay, overlook this one. Another quadra box. Okay, next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. Here. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Here another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only one S shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this. Oh, yeah. We have another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. But it cannot be a 2. We already have a 2 there, so this box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be also 1. So 1 that you left in this quadra box for number 2. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 3. So one box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this quadra L shape should be there. And I've eliminated the 4. So the 4 goes here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. One box left in this L-shaped quadra box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround a 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So one box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Need to think. 1 box left in this S construction for number 5. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. I need a 5 here. Okay. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then. Well, 1, 2. Come on, these 3 boxes can be a 2. Surround the 2 can be a 2. So the 2 could be here or there. Well, I cannot place the 2 there because we have double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. The only place left for the 2 should be here. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also this box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this quadra box should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, we have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. then these two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be down. This box can be a 4 and this box can be a 5, so the 4 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one digit left in this area for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Yeah. 1, 2. This box should be 4. This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3. So 2 numbers left, 4 and a 5. And is connected with that box. Should be also 4 or a 5. I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. But it cannot be a 5 because we have a 5 here. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. These two boxes are marked with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. And that box should be a 4. Alright. Then, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those. Then, let me think. These two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. Well, I cannot place the 2 there. We have a double 2 there. If I place the 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 3. That box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then this box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 and a 5, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. This box can be a 5, this box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will meet you again in the evening, with the Samurai Sudoku, and I hope this time I will manage to solve this within an hour. That's my goal. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. See you tonight with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.